afternoon. Welcome to the College of Public Health Awards Ceremony. I'm Taylor Dula, Assistant Dean for Student Services and Academic Progress, and I'm honored to serve as your Master of Ceremony this afternoon. First and foremost, we'd like to extend a warm welcome to the families and friends of our student awardees. Thank you for joining us today to celebrate their achievements. Your support has played an important role in their success. We're also pleased to welcome our alumni who are in attendance today. We're grateful for your presence. At this time, I would like to ask the faculty and staff of the College of Public Health to stand and be acknowledged. Thank you for all you do to support and guide our students. I would now like to welcome to the stage Dr. Robert Pack for our opening remarks. Dr. Pack is the Executive Vice Provost at East Tennessee State University and Professor of Community and Behavioral Health in the College of Public Health. He is the Director of the ETSU Addiction Science Center and Co-Director of the Opioids Research Consortium of Central Appalachia. He serves as founding board chairman for the nonprofit opioid treatment program Over Mountain Recovery, as a board member for One Tennessee Health, on the Appalachian Regional Commission Substance Abuse Advisory Council, and previously as a technical expert for the Office of National Drug Control Policy. He is a member of Class 8 of Leadership Tennessee. Join me in welcoming Dr. Rob Pack.
Good afternoon. What a thrill it is to be here with my friends and colleagues from the College of Public Health. I bring greetings on behalf of our Provost, Dr. Kimberly McCorkle. And today I'll share a few words of encouragement and just celebration, because this is a remarkable time of year. It's my favorite time of year. And we get to celebrate together today while we acknowledge all these incredible accomplishments of the awardees. So take a moment to celebrate with your friends and family and express gratitude to your friends and family. I'm speaking to the students now, I guess. Express gratitude to your friends and family, and also to all the faculty and advisors and staff and other people that got you to where you are. When I think about all the accomplishments that you have achieved during this time, I think about all you're going to do in your careers and the tremendous impact that you're going to have, and I'm just amazed. I ask that you continue to keep us in your minds as you go forward throughout your career, and stay in touch, because that is also very important. We love when we hear about accomplishments of our alumni and when they go out and do even cooler, bigger things, and then we get to hear back, and it's a real celebration for us. So thrilled to be here with you today. I bring greetings, and let's have a big celebration, shall we? Thanks.
Thank you, Dr. Pack. We'll begin today's program with the presentation of scholarships. As I announce each award recipient and the presenting faculty member, please make your way to the stage using this side. After receiving your award, kindly step to the side of the stage to have your photo taken. Let's get started with our department level scholarships. The Adkins Microbiology Scholarship is awarded to Joseph Hernandez and Xavier Poor. Dr. Sean Fox will be presenting the medallions. The Adkins Microbiology Scholarship Fund was established in 2007 by David and Christina Adkins to support outstanding microbiology majors at ETSU. Recipients are selected by the microbiology faculty in the Department of Biomedical Health Sciences and is based on academic excellence and research accomplishments. This year's award recognizes two exceptional students. Joseph, a dedicated pre-med double major, balances a demanding academic workload while working as a CNA. Despite working 12 hours a week during the semester and up to 50 hours during breaks, he continues to pursue leadership, volunteering, and research opportunities. He hopes to become an orthopedic surgeon. With the long-term goal of becoming a professor, Xavier is passionate about using his education to support others from similar backgrounds. This scholarship enables him to further his research and academic journey so he can one day provide life-changing knowledge and guidance to others. Both students exemplify the spirit of the Adkins Scholarship through their perseverance, academic excellence, and commitment to service. Congratulations to both Joseph and Xavier. The State of Franklin Environmental Society Scholarship is presented to Reese Stonebreaker by Dr. Phil Shorman. The State of Franklin Environmental Society Scholarship was established in 2001 by the State of Franklin Environmental Society, a nonprofit organization founded in 1985 with a mission to protect and improve the environment in East Tennessee. Reese has a deep passion for exploring the connection between the environment and human health. Throughout her time at ETSU, she has focused on how environmental factors impact underserved communities and have worked to build a foundation of knowledge through classes, research, internships, and volunteer experiences. With a long-term goal of working in public health, either at the local or federal level, she aspires to lead initiatives that promote sustainability, healthy environments, and improve outcomes in vulnerable populations. Congratulations, Reese. The Dr. Vincent A. Sikora Memorial Fund in Environmental Health is presented to Avery Sills and Ayana Maldonado by Dr. Rod Handy. The Vince Sikora Memorial Fund Scholarship is presented to Ms. Ayana Maldonado and Ms. Avery Sills in recognition of their grit and determination in advancing environmental health science and promoting environmental justice, principles that were central to the life and work of Dr. Vince Sikora, a nationally known environmental lawyer and a deeply student-focused faculty member in the Department of Environmental and Occupational Health and Safety Sciences. Ayana is pursuing a degree in environmental health with a minor in epidemiology. Through her coursework and role as a research assistant, she has developed valuable skills in environmental risk assessment, public health research, and occupational safety. She hopes to contribute to the creation of policies that protect communities from environmental hazards and improve public well-being. Avery is equally dedicated to creating a healthier, more informed world. She plans to use her education to improve her community through advocacy for education and regulatory reform with the goal of joining public service at the state or federal level. Congratulations to both Avery and Ayana. We'll now begin the presentation of our college-level scholarships. Dr. Megan Quinn, Chair of the College of Public Health Award and Scholarship Committee, will be presenting each of these awards. The J.L. and Lavinia S. Allen Memorial Scholarship is awarded to Geneva Young, Emma Coleman, and Rainey Pagu. The J.L. and Lavinia S. Allen Scholarship, established in 1998, honors the legacy of J. Allen, a former professor, first chair, and assistant dean in the Department of Public Health, and his wife, Lavinia, a dedicated College of Nursing staff member. This scholarship supports outstanding students majoring in public health or health administration who demonstrate academic excellence and a passion for service. This year's recipients each embody these values. Geneva, a first-generation out-of-state student, has thrived at ETSU thanks to the support of the Health Administration program and plans to pursue a career in health communications. Emma, currently working as a CCMA in a local OBGYN office, aspires to become a nurse practitioner or certified nurse midwife committed to improving women's health in rural communities. Rainey is preparing for a future as an OBGYN and hopes to advocate for women's health care in underserved areas. Congratulations to Geneva and Emma, and Dr. Quinn will accept the medallion on behalf of Rainey. The Ethan S. Bain Environmental Health Foundation Scholarship is awarded to Reese Stonebreaker. The Ethan S. Bain Environmental Health Foundation Scholarship was established in 2020 to support undergraduate students in the Departments of Environmental and Occupational Health and Safety Sciences, or Community and Behavioral Health. Created in honor of Ethan S. Bain, this scholarship recognizes students with a minimum 3.0 GPA who demonstrate strong leadership potential, a deep care for individuals and communities, and a willingness to mentor future recipients. Reese has long been passionate about the intersection of environment and human health and has focused on understanding how environmental factors affect underserved communities. Reese is committed to using their education to promote healthier, more sustainable environments. With aspirations to work in public health at the local or federal level, Reese embodies the values Ethan S. Bain stood for: leadership, compassion, and mentorship. Congratulations to Reese. The Thomas C. Farrs R.S. Environmental Health Scholarship is awarded to Tatum Craven. The Thomas C. Farrs R.S. Environmental Health Scholarship was established in 2020 to support students in the Department of Environmental and Occupational Health and Safety Sciences who demonstrate academic excellence. Named in honor of Thomas Farrs, a 1978 ETSU graduate and registered sanitarian who served as a captain in the U.S. Public Health Service, the scholarship reflects his lifelong commitment to public health. This year's recipient, Tatum Craven, shares that same dedication. Tatum is passionate about protecting public health and envisions a future as an epidemiologist or working in a water treatment facility. Her goal is to create healthier environments and ensure safe resources for all. Congratulations. The Bruce A. and Amelia R. Goodrow Scholarship is awarded to Abby Campbell, Jeanette St. Louis, and Charlie Ann West. The Bruce A. and Amelia R. Goodrow Public Health Scholarship, established by Dr. Bruce Goodrow, a disabled veteran and professor emeritus of ETSU, and Amelia Goodrow, a dedicated executive and longtime ETSU Foundation member, supports students committed to improving public health and honors their passion for education and service. This year's recipients exemplify that spirit. Abby Campbell is focused on preventing communicable diseases through research and policy, with future plans in infectious disease epidemiology and further graduate studies. Jeanette St. Louis, currently serving in the U.S. Army, aspires to earn a dual MD-JD to advocate for women's health and justice, using her experience to bridge medicine and law. Charlie Ann West, a senior majoring in health administration, is passionate about healthcare innovation and aims to improve patient care and provider connections through technology and medical sales. Congratulations to Abby, Jeanette, and Charlie Ann. The John P. Lamb Jr. Memorial Scholarship is awarded to Michaela Leake. The John P. Lamb Jr. Memorial Scholarship, named in honor of a pioneering leader in public health and former dean of the College of Public Health at East Tennessee State University, supports students who embody his commitment to advancing public health in the region. This year's recipient, Michaela Leake, a junior majoring in public health with a concentration in community health and a minor in epidemiology, exemplifies that dedication through her hands-on work with the Tennessee Department of Health and her leadership role as advocacy chair for the Appalachian Reproductive Health Alliance. Growing up in Appalachia, Michaela has seen the health disparities that affect rural communities and is determined to drive evidence-based, community-led initiatives to address reproductive health, infectious disease, and health equity. Congratulations. The M.T. Morgan Scholarship is awarded to Grace Mashanya and Kayla Wright. The Dr. M.T. Morgan Scholarship honors the visionary leader who founded the first undergraduate environmental health program in the U.S. at ETSU and left a legacy of global impact in the field. This year's recipients reflect Dr. Morgan's passion for environmental health and dedication to education. Grace Mashanya, an environmental health student with a deep love for the outdoors, hopes to work with the EPA to design community-focused environmental solutions and reduce pollution. Fellow recipient Kayla Wright is passionate about promoting environmental safety and inspiring others to pursue the field. As a Scout leader, she already uses her knowledge to educate youth and looks forward to expanding that impact as she continues exploring career opportunities in environmental health. Congratulations, Kayla. Dr. Quinn will accept the award on behalf of Grace. The Dr. Robert D. Patton Community Health Scholarship is awarded to Zoe Odom. The Dr. Robert D. Patton Community Health Scholarship honors Dr. Patton's distinguished service as a Tennessee legislator, county commissioner, and educator, including his time as chair of ETSU's Department of Health Education. This year's recipient, Zoe Odom, exemplifies his commitment to community service and public health. A passionate student with aspirations to become an epidemiologist, Zoe plans to return to her small hometown in North Carolina to serve at the local health department before pursuing her dream of working for the CDC. Inspired by the legacy of her late father, a beloved community leader, Zoe is determined to give back and create a lasting impact. Congratulations to Zoe. The Thomas L. and Jean L. Perry Jr. Scholarship is awarded to Caitlin Whitwell and Paul Holt. The Thomas L. and Jean L. Perry Jr. Scholarship honors the Perrys' lifelong dedication to education and their enduring support of East Tennessee State University, particularly the Department of Biomedical Health Sciences. This year's recipients, Caitlin Whitwell and Paul Holt, embody the values of service, perseverance, and academic excellence that the Perrys championed. Caitlin, a junior in the microbiology and honors programs, is an active researcher, volunteer, and former resident assistant who aspires to attend medical school and serve rural communities like the one that shaped her. Paul, a pre-medical student guided by his faith, discovered his passion for science and helping others through medicine. Now preparing to apply to medical school, he is deeply grateful for the support that allows him to focus on his final semester and future goals. Congratulations to Caitlin, and Dr. Quinn will accept the award on behalf of Paul. The Kristen Taylor Spencer Memorial Scholarship is awarded to Haley Barefoot. The Kristen Taylor Spencer Memorial Scholarship honors the life, faith, and service of Kristen Danielle Taylor Spencer, an ETSU alumna who exemplified strength, leadership, and dedication to her family, church, and community. Kristen's legacy continues through students like Haley, a first-generation college student pursuing a degree in health administration. Inspired by her own experiences growing up in a single-parent household, Haley is committed to reducing health disparities and promoting equity in underserved communities. With plans to own both her bachelor's and master's degrees at ETSU, Haley is grateful for the support of this scholarship as she works to follow a path of service and compassion, much like Kristen's. Dr. Quinn will accept the award on behalf of Haley. The Peyton and Angela Ward Pruitt Public Health Scholarship is awarded to Anna Grace Parlapiano. The Peyton and Angela Ward Pruitt Public Health Scholarship, established by two distinguished ETSU alumni with deep expertise in food safety, environmental health, and healthcare leadership, supports students dedicated to advancing public health. This year's recipient, Anna Grace Parlapiano, exemplifies that commitment through her pursuit of a health sciences degree with the goal of becoming a physician assistant. Passionate about serving underserved pediatric communities, Anna Grace balances her studies with active campus involvement, part-time work, and meaningful volunteer efforts, including raising over $8,900 for veterans and first responders through Operation Gratitude. Congratulations to Anna Grace. Thank you, Dr. Quinn, for presenting the medallions for our college-level scholarships. We will now transition to our department awards, starting with the Department of Biomedical Health Sciences. The Outstanding Microbiology Award will be presented to Rachel England by Dr. Sean Fox. Rachel England has been studying microbiology at ETSU for the past 4 years and is one of the most involved students in the program, both in the classroom and beyond. She is an honors and discipline scholar, an undergraduate researcher, and has served as an officer for the American Society for Microbiology for 4 semesters. Rachel recently presented her research at the Posters at the Capitol Conference in Nashville and has also interned with the Quillen College of Medicine's Gross Anatomy Lab. Her passion for science and service extends into the community through volunteer work promoting healthcare access and youth development. She is applying to medical school and plans to extern in the Gross Anatomy Lab. Congratulations, Rachel. The Outstanding Health Sciences Student Award is presented to Brody Young by Dr. Matt Zahner. Brody has been studying health science at ETSU for the past 4 years. While at ETSU, he was a member of the swim team for 3 years and served as the treasurer for 2 of those years. Brody conducted research in Dr. Cerrone Foster's lab on the effects of low estrogen on the development of fibrosis in the heart in mice. He is currently doing a research rotation in Dr. Matt Zahner's neurophysiology lab this semester and is enrolled in the Integrative Neuroscience Journal Club. He will be attending the ETSU Quillen College of Medicine in fall 2025 and plans to pursue cardiothoracic surgery. Congratulations, Brody. We will now present the awards for the Department of Biostatistics and Epidemiology. The Outstanding MPH Epidemiology Student Award is presented to Jacob Blevins by Dr. Waleed Alali. Jacob Blevins has demonstrated outstanding academic performance throughout the MPH program. He has consistently excelled in all aspects of the program. In addition to his academic achievements, Jacob has served as the department's student representative on the MPH Operations Committee for 2 years. He has also supported his peers by tutoring undergraduate epidemiology minors and first-year MPH students through the department's help desk. Jacob has a strong interest in addiction science and is currently working with Ballad Health on this topic as part of his applied practice experience. Congratulations to Jacob. The Outstanding MPH Biostatistics Student Award is presented to Amanda Pons-Junkins by Dr. Shimin Zhang. Amanda is an online student from Winston-Salem, North Carolina. She works full-time at Wake Forest School of Medicine, managing research on clinical outcomes in the epidemiology department, and previously worked for the VA overseeing research on prostate cancer. In her time at ETSU, she has presented research on e-cigarette use at the Tennessee Public Health Association and the Appalachian Student Research Forum, and has supported work at the Center for Cardiovascular Risk Research. She hopes to continue working in epidemiology, supporting real-world clinical trials. Congratulations to Amanda. The Outstanding DRPH Epidemiology Student Award is presented to Emmanuel Mensah by Dr. Waleed Alali. Emmanuel, a native of Ghana, joined our DRPH program in epidemiology in fall 2022. In addition to his academic excellence, Emmanuel has made significant contributions to the department, including serving as a graduate assistant for several courses in the department and coordinating the student tutoring help desk. Since joining ETSU, he has published 4 peer-reviewed manuscripts with several others on the way, presented 6 papers at national and international conferences, and received numerous awards and honors, most notably the Grand Prize at the 2024 Appalachian Energy Summit and the 2023 Tennessee Department of Health Award to attend the Tennessee Public Health Association Conference. Most importantly, Emmanuel successfully defended his dissertation last month and will be joining the prestigious CDC Epidemic Intelligence Service program this July. Congratulations. Up next are the awards for the Department of Community and Behavioral Health. The Outstanding BSPH Student Award is presented to Rayleigh Bolt by Dr. Mike Stutz. Rayleigh exemplifies academic excellence, leadership, and a deep commitment to public health. Through her study abroad in France and local engagement, including disaster relief efforts, service leadership, and ministry work, she is building a global perspective rooted in community impact. As a global citizen scholar, she combines her passion for public and environmental health through advocacy and education, notably creating a Pollinators for Public Health manual for Project Earth and implementing programs on campus and at the Boys and Girls Club. Her dedication and drive make her a standout candidate for the Outstanding Student Award in the BS program in Public Health with a community health concentration. Congratulations, Rayleigh. The Outstanding MPH Community Health Student Award is presented to Hussein Al-Asil by Amy Rowe. Hussein completed his undergraduate education as well as his master's degree in the Department of Community and Behavioral Health. Throughout his time in the department, Hussein worked diligently to perform his best. During his field placements at the American Red Cross, he was able to demonstrate his skills and abilities through exceptional performance with his community partners. He demonstrates compassion, empathy, and a desire to make the world a better place. Hussein is truly an outstanding student. Ms. Amy Rowe will accept the medallion on Hussein's behalf. The Outstanding DRPH Community Health Student Award is presented to Olivia Sullivan by Dr. Beth O'Connell. Olivia Sullivan, aka Sully, has performed highly throughout her DRPH program, including her dissertation work titled Healthcare Access Barriers Among Sexual Minority Peri-Pregnant People in the Appalachian Highlands. She received a small grant in support of her dissertation work from the ETSU Graduate School and currently works as a research associate for the Center for Rural Health and Research. Sully is organized, consistent, and adaptable. Congratulations, Sully. We will now be presenting awards from the Department of Environmental and Occupational Health and Safety Sciences. The Outstanding BSEH Student Award is presented to Zachary Pittman by Dr. Phil Shorman. Zachary is an environmental health major with a strong academic background and hands-on experience through internships at the Johnson City Water Department and Oak Ridge National Laboratory, where he gained valuable skills in water quality and industrial hygiene. A dedicated member of the Student Environmental Health Association since 2021, he served as Media and Activities Coordinator in 2022 and currently leads the organization as president. These experiences have equipped him to improve water services, enhance workplace safety, and adapt to diverse challenges. Zachary is currently pursuing a position in either water quality or industrial hygiene. Congratulations. The Outstanding MPH Environmental Health Student Award is presented to Priscilla Owusu Mensah by Dr. Rod Handy. Priscilla Owusu Mensah, a pharmacist from Ghana, developed a passion for environmental health research after seeing patients affected by diarrheal diseases caused by poor environmental conditions. This led to her to pursue a Master of Public Health with a focus in environmental health and a graduate certificate in epidemiology. Her experience with the Department of Environmental and Occupational Health and Safety Sciences has deepened her understanding of air quality, water quality, and sanitation. Priscilla credits the support from faculty and her hands-on experiences at ETSU for her growth. After completing her degree, she aims to be a pharmacist involved in research, policy, and consultancy related to general and environmental health. Congratulations. The Department of Health Services, Management, and Policy will now present their awards. The Outstanding BSHA Student Award is presented to Lauren Urbani by Dr. Monique Ahuja. Lauren is amongst the most well-prepared, hardest-working students in the BSHA program. Lauren has exceptional education, exceptional leadership qualities, and consistently strives to make others around her better. It is not uncommon to see Lauren stay after class to help fellow classmates solve complex problems. Outside of the classroom, Lauren makes a positive impact in the community and on the health of the population through involvement with nonprofits, both domestically and internationally. She is a strong leader who serves as an active member of the Public Health Student Association, Ronald McDonald House Volunteer, Alpha Delta Pi, and other organizations both at ETSU and off campus. Lauren has continued to strive for excellence throughout her time at ETSU and is highly deserving of this award. Dr. Ahuja will accept this award on behalf of Lauren. The Outstanding MHA Student Award is presented to Samantha Denlinger by Dr. Ryan Youngblood. Samantha is an Ohio native currently residing in Southern Ohio. Her educational journey from the University of Toledo, where she earned her Bachelor of Science in Paralegal Studies, to ETSU, where she completed her Master of Health Administration, has been marked by academic distinction. Samantha's remarkable 5-year career with Ballad Health began after her formative experience at West Virginia University Medicine's Children's Hospital. Starting as Children's Miracle Network fundraising manager, she has risen to become annual fund manager with Ballad Health, demonstrating exceptional growth and leadership. Throughout her career and studies, Samantha has consistently ranked at the top of her class while balancing professional and family responsibilities. Her unwavering dedication has established a high standard for both MHA students and healthcare professionals. Dr. Youngblood will accept the award on Samantha's behalf. The Outstanding MPH Public Health Leadership and Policy Student Award is presented to Emily Bowen by Dr. Nathan Hill. Dr. Emily Bowen completed her MPH in Leadership and Policy as a professor and director of dental programs at Virginia Community College System, Mountain Empire. A dentist and an academician, Dr. Bowen is tireless in her efforts to support the growth of dental care across Southwest Virginia. She recently led the development of a new dental assistant program while teaching, securing grants, and mentoring junior colleagues. For her MPH program, she took the opportunity to complete her field experience with Delta Dental of Virginia Foundation, where she worked on dental employment trends and industry predictions, including training shortfalls and needs in Virginia. Dr. Bowen was selected as a Fellow of the Appalachian Leadership Institute, reflecting her exceptional service and leadership contributions to the community and to her profession. She exemplifies the characteristics of an outstanding public health graduate alumna who is committed to integrating public health principles into dental care in order to advance access and quality in our region. Congratulations. The Outstanding DRPH Health Management and Policy Award is presented to Haley Leslie by Dr. Kate Beatty. During her time in the DRPH program, Haley Leslie has been a tremendous student, researcher, and teacher. Haley has built upon her experience in public health practice to develop a rigorous dissertation examining disability inclusion in community health needs assessments and community health improvement plans. The results from her dissertation have been shared with local, state, and national audiences through several presentations and a recent publication. As a researcher, Haley has supported several funded research projects in the Center for Rural Health and Research, including studies related to public health preparedness in rural settings and numerous studies on the governmental public health workforce, also resulting in both academic and practice-based presentations and manuscripts. Lastly, Haley has been an instructor and a teaching assistant for several courses in the department. She is thoughtful in her interactions with students, supporting their development and success. Overall, Haley has distinguished herself in all areas and will continue to be a strong reflection of the DRPH program in her future roles. We are proud of the work Haley has done and are excited to see what she does next. Congratulations. We will now present the Undergraduate Internship Awards. The Tim Baylor Award for Internship Excellence is presented to Allison Marbett by Ms. Whitney Oliver. The Tim Baylor Award for Internship Excellence honors individuals who demonstrate outstanding performance in their internships and exemplify the values of dedication, leadership, and community engagement that Mr. Tim Baylor upheld throughout his distinguished career. Mr. Baylor, a U.S. Army veteran and healthcare executive, served as CEO for Hospital Corporation of America and Wellmont Health System before joining ETSU as an instructor and assistant dean of public health practice. He was passionate about public health initiatives and supporting student internships. Allison Marbett embodies these values through her education and hands-on experience, including an internship at a convalescent center where she gained expertise in patient engagement, healthcare operations, and administrative coordination. She has applied her knowledge of quality assurance and performance improvement to enhance care in long-term settings. Her goal is to become a nursing home administrator, improving operational efficiency and care quality. Congratulations, Allison. The Bishop, Meyer, and Shorman Internship Award will be presented to Zachary Pittman by Dr. Phil Shorman. The Bishop, Meyer, and Shorman Internship Award honors 3 distinguished faculty members, Craig Bishop, Kurt Meyer, and Phil Shorman, whose leadership and dedication have significantly shaped the field of environmental health at East Tennessee State University. Dr. Bishop served over 40 years in the U.S. Public Health Service and spent 33 years at ETSU as a professor and associate dean and is now professor emeritus in the department. Dr. Meyer, chair and professor emeritus, led the Department of Environmental and Occupational Health and Safety Sciences and earned teaching and research awards during his tenure from 2000 to 2024. Dr. Shorman, the longest serving faculty member in the College of Public Health, has been recognized for excellence in teaching, research, and service, and continues to guide students as director of the Environmental Health Sciences Laboratory. This year's recipient, Zachary Pittman, gained valuable hands-on experience in water quality at the Johnson City Water Department and advanced his training in industrial hygiene at Oak Ridge National Laboratory, experiences that have been pivotal in preparing him for a career in environmental health. Congratulations, Zachary. The Calvin B. Garland Award for Internship is presented to Ariana Pond by Miss Mickey Johnson. The Cal Garland Award for Internship Excellence honors Dr. Calvin B. Garland, a dedicated educator who joined the health education faculty at ETSU in 1965. A distinguished professor and professor emeritus, Dr. Garland was known for his commitment to emergency care, safety education, and public service, both in the classroom and through his work with the American Red Cross, Tennessee Emergency Medical Services, and other state and national agencies. This year's recipient, Ariana Pond, shares Dr. Garland's passion for public health and service. With a goal of becoming an epidemiologist, Ariana aspires to design inclusive population health interventions that prioritize the needs of diverse communities. She credits the Community and Behavioral Health Program for preparing her for a meaningful career and sees this award as a powerful affirmation for her path forward. Congratulations. The Delta Omega Honorary Society in Public Health, founded in 1924 at Johns Hopkins University within the School of Hygiene and Public Health, was established to promote graduate study in public health and to recognize outstanding achievement in the field. Membership is granted through a highly selective process which evaluates academic excellence and a strong commitment to public health. To preserve the integrity of this prestigious society, chapters are limited in the number of members they may induct each year. Dr. Bill Brooks, president of the Alpha Pi chapter of the Delta Omega Honorary Society in Public Health at East Tennessee State University, will present the certificates to our new inductees. Please hold your applause until all students have been called. Haley Webb, Brody Young, Ava Yost, Elijah Yoshino, Emmanuel Mensa, Haley Leslie, Kajul Tahal, Olivia Sullivan, Margaret Francisco, Ignacio Garcia, Jeanette Johnson, and Krista Peterson. Congratulations to all of our student inductees. Congratulations again. Additionally, we would like to recognize Delta Omega alumni and faculty inductees. They are alumna Sydney Butterfield, alumnus Paul Peterson, faculty Dr. Nathan Hale, and faculty Dr. Randy Wyckoff. They are slowly making their way. Congratulations to Dr. Hill and Dr. Wyckoff. Before our closing remarks, take a moment to check out the posters displayed around the room. If you'd like to take yours home, please make sure to grab it before you leave. So finally, to close this wonderful event, please join me in welcoming the Dean of the College of Public Health, Dr. Randy Wyckoff.
Well, thank you, Taylor. That was a wonderful event. I can't think of a better way to end Public Health Week than with a celebration like this. Congratulations to all our award recipients. Thanks all the family members who supported them. Thank you to the faculty that made it possible. And I want to thank also all of you who support the college. As I looked at all of those names, many of those are people I worked with over the years. And it's a real honor for me to see that we continue to recognize these folks who helped create this College of Public Health. In Public Health Week, we always take a moment and think of the things that we're proud of. I'm proud to share a couple of new numbers that you may not have heard. It just came out that of all the schools of public health in the Southeast, from Virginia to Florida to Louisiana to Kentucky and everything in between, of all the ones at school and public universities, we're the 5th largest. We're the largest school of public health in Appalachia, and in the top quarter of all the largest schools in the country. And in that Southeast group, we're now ranked in the top 10. So stuff to be proud of, especially proud that we're continuing to grow. Since 2009, when we were accredited, we've added 599 students. We've added $50 million in outside funding. And we're getting nationally recognized for some of that work. We received the Delta Omega Award for Innovative Curriculum twice, one of only 4 schools that have done it more than once. We received the Harrison Spencer Award for Outstanding Community Service, one of only 10 schools to get that. And earlier this year, Mike Stutes was recognized as the outstanding public health educator in the country. Selected from over 11,000 faculty at 150 schools. That's pretty good. The odds were against you, Mike. We're one of only 2 schools in the country to have won all 3 of those awards. So there's a lot to be proud of, but what I'm most proud of is the students, you all here today. You all have done some amazing things, as you heard here, but you also survived COVID-19, the second worst infectious disease pandemic of my lifetime. You survived Hurricane Helene, the second most deadly natural disaster to hit the United States in the last 100 years. And you survived a time when the very essence of your profession was being misrepresented in the media, and yet you thrived. So I'm going to say something I don't say every year. I think a reasonable case can be made that our current group of students are the most outstanding that we've ever had. Even the kids laughing. Seriously, as I get to know you all, I am really impressed. And I'm really proud to know that you will go out into the workforce when you graduate and represent us well. Because from the time you graduate on, you will always be alumni of ETSU. I hope you stay in touch. I hope you let us know how things are going. And most of all, I hope you have incredibly successful careers. So as we do at ETSU, we end every event with the person with the microphone. In that case, that's me. I will say Godspeed, and you're going to say, Go Bucks. All right, so those of you who don't know, it's Godspeed. I say Godspeed, you say Go Bucks. All right, I've done this for 18 years. I know a lackluster Go Bucks when I hear it. So don't let me down. 1, 2, 3. Godspeed and Go Bucks. Congratulations to you all.